Alright, this is a joystick like in the cab. Proportionally, when we stroke the valve, it'll stroke the handle on the said valve section. And to adjust it properly, we can run the winch before we put the cable on it. It's easier. But I'll run the valve all the way one direction, and then I'm going to adjust the maximum voltage on the trim tab on this driver board. Now I've already got it so it's all the way up. So I'm going to back off the max output. Till our handle starts to move. Alright, we're starting to move. You can tell it's fluttering. Alright, I am backing it down a little bit. Bit of an adjustment. Go the other way. If you want it to go faster, we can take some of the ramp out of it. This is the ramp control here. That makes it go faster, react faster than we're all the way there. We'll come back. And just off the center is our threshold adjustment. Now that seems to be about perfect right there. I'm not going to mess with that one. Threshold is the amount at which it starts to move right off of center, all the way forward. Our handles move all the way, and that's our max output voltage. You get those two set up right, then you got your valve adjustment.
Let's go backwards, Steve.